us by getting our camera. This is the one I want. We're just waiting for somebody to come help us out. So we just got home and I wanted to show you my OOTD for the day. Well, the day is over. I'm gonna change to some comfortable clothes. So my blazer is from Boohoo. This sweater is from Primark. I really like it. It's super, super warm. These jeans are from Hollister. And then my boots, I think they're from Primark too. Oh no, they're from Charlotte Russe. And this was today's outfit. It is so cold outside. Like no other day. It's so cold. So now I'm gonna change. We went to the supermarket. I have to put away all the food. And I'm gonna make the ginger shots today since tomorrow is the beginning of the week. So let's get this Sunday night started. And here is my comfy outfit. Can you believe this set right here is from Walmart? It is so comfortable and so like warm. I'm gonna link it in the description down below. Hopefully it's still available. I bought it like 2 months ago. And then this cardigan is from Amazon. It literally looks like it goes with the whole outfit. This one is definitely available, so I'm gonna link that too. And then my new slippers, they are from DSW. It's from the line, the J-Lo line. I really like them. They were on sale for only $20, but they're no longer on sale. They're $39.99. But yeah, they're so comfortable and warm. I will link those too. They have them in black and then I think like a gray and a black one, and then these creamy looking ones. But let's go downstairs. Will is putting away the groceries. Okay, so I have all of the ingredients ready. It took only a whole hour for me to get all of this prepared. The girl from the TikTok video, she threw the ginger with the peel and everything. I didn't like that, so I just peeled them. That's what took so long. So I have a bunch of ginger here, 3 lemons. I have the turmeric powder from the Asian store, black powder as well. I mean, black pepper powder, and some honey. I'm literally going to eye all of the measurements. I don't know. She didn't put measurements. She just said what ingredients she used. I bought these 2 containers from Dollar Tree to store them there. And then we just have the little strainer, this. And then I have a half a cup, 1.5 cups of water so that I can throw it in there. She did that. I don't know how much water she used, so I am just guessing. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna do it in the blender. I didn't want to use the juicer because I'm gonna make my celery juice right after this. This made so much juice. Like, it made 4 cups plus a little more. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the turmeric and the black pepper like I said, I'm just gonna eye it. So I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of each. And I was reading that in order for turmeric to work, you have to put black pepper because black pepper activates turmeric. So that's what I was reading. And then I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of honey. I love ginger so much. Whenever I order sushi, I literally ask for extra ginger because I love it. I could eat it on its own. Pickled ginger. This does not look like it's blending. Maybe I should put it in the blender again. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. She's thick.
Damn, boys. Yeah.
Espérate. Oh, pero tú te das shot de la otra cosa así, normal, y este no.
My stomach is already rumbling.
Yum! Alright, let's take this shot. Are you excited?
Oh.
I'm excited.
I'm
It's
not.
kind of hot. It should be cold, but it's supposed to be cold.
Is my stomach supposed to be feeling some type of way right now?
You're gonna feel better after. So vamos a hacer para arriba, para abajo, para el centro y para adentro. Ugh.
Oh, it's spicy.
We have all the spice here. Wow. Whew. Here are the things that we bought from Best Buy. We got the Fire Stick because we have a projector in our room. So right now we're using the Apple TV, but the cables just look horrible. So we thought that the Fire Stick would look nicer. No cables, just wireless. And then I got my new camera. I got the Sony digital camera ZV-1. This is a vlogging camera, and they had it in white, but I decided to get it in black because, you know, the white gets dirty with makeup and stuff, and then like the little mic is white as well, so I didn't think that was a good idea for me. So I got the black one. I will be doing a little unboxing for you guys. I am so excited. Now we can continue vlogging with the actual camera and not the iPhone. how beautiful it is. I am so happy. It is so slim compared to my other one. Let me bring the other one so you can see. Here is a side by side. You see this one is a little bit bulkier. This is slimmer. Oh my God, I am so excited. I am so sad that I need to give up this camera. We have so much history. I made my first videos and my first vlogs with this camera. Now I am obligated to be consistent because I just purchased this camera. So I have no more excuses. We will go ahead and vlog more for you guys. So let me know what you guys want to see. Oh my goodness. Wow. You outdid yourself. Look at that. Get you a husband that makes you mango on a Sunday night before a stormy night. And we have tomorrow off. Wow, baby. Un mangucito en un dominguito con mi amorcito. Hey. Thank you, baby. You are the real MVP for feeding me.
Glad this is all caught on camera.
And this is how we end this vlog. Eating this beautiful meal. Thank you for watching, guys. And we will see you on another
Episode.
vlog. Bye.